Masyado pa-English ha, baka dumudugo ilong mo dyan. Okay, wala kami baby. Wala pa man na dito tayo.
Nat, sit down.
First honor. Pero wala isang ba? Okay. What's your name?
Kayla.
Tagalog? Kayla? Kayla?
Yeah.
Apelido?
Ramiro.
Romero? Ano ba kinakanta mo? Oh my God, sinasabi mo na nga ba siya? Ano ba siya gusto? What do you like song? I like song with this verse, you know? Can you sing with me? Okay, what kind of song? Ito naman, pinahirapan niyo naman ako. You know what, Let It Go? Yeah? Okay. Let It Go? Okay. Jesus ko naman ito. Bakit yun ako binagyan ng ganito? Alam niyo naman dumudugo ilong ko. Okay. Do you understand to speak Tagalog? Okay. Huh?
I can understand.
You do understand. So can I not understand to speak English? Matanong kita, anong alam mo kanta? Ano bang alam mo kanta?
I can sing anything.
Okay nga. Bigyan mo ng sample. Sample. Sample.
I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. 'Cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna close my
Okay. Yung mataas pa sa'yo, anong pinakamataas mo? Parehas na tayo ng height eh. Okay na pinakamataas mo? Oh yeah.
Close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. 'Cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing.
Yun sa mga kanta niya, no? Ni Mariah Carey na, Oh, Holy Night. Alam mo? Bibibipaks ako, sige, kantahin mo.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth.
Diretso pa lang. Diretso. Ayan naman siya yung isang diretso. Continue.
A new and glorious morning.
Okay, kakatayin natin yung Let It Go. Let It Go. Music please para po sa inyo lahat.